Hey guys, good morning. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/ but I'm not a trader. Let's get into this video quick because I don't want to take too long. My video from yesterday, or I think like 2 days ago, this is from Tuesday. Yeah, so release is Tuesday morning, I think. And I basically said if we hold up this 519.39 level, I'm pretty sure we're gonna go to like 537, 530, right? My initial target of 529, 530-ish hit right here on Tuesday, came back, did not break that target again, right? My 530 target came right back down, and you broke under that 519.39 that I was telling you guys about. This is very concerning because I did say that if we break this 519.39, I can definitely see us dropping to 509.61. And as of right now, this is a target, but this can change. The target on this can still be 530 and 537 again, but you have to break this retest here, right? So again, right, that my initial level was right here, 519.38.39, right? That broke down, right? So right now, what I'm pretty sure it wants to do is it wants to retest. And guess what? It broke that level, came back up. It's retesting this right here, this recent low, right? And now you see it rejecting, right? So what is it doing? It's rejecting perfectly off that 519.04 level, right? So look at that. Perfect rejection right there, right? So again, as of right now, if this does not break to the upside, right, you need to break above this level. If this does not break to the upside, you're going down to 509.58, somewhere around that on the SPY, right? You need this to push above, and I can't stress that enough, right? If this rejects, right, if this rejects and you actually don't get a push above this, right, you keep rejecting, you're going to drop down and you're going to go to 509. If we go lower, right, to the 15-minute, you're still on the high zone, right, on the stochastic. You're still up here, so you got plenty of room to drop, and you got a gap here at 515.82. So plenty of room for the SPY to actually drop back here at 515.71. If this gap gets filled, you're dropping to 509, right? It's really that simple. So as of right now, I am more bearish than bullish on SPY. And again, once we start breaking above this level, I will start getting bullish again to 530, right? But ideally, what I would like to happen, right, because I'm actually in calls for Microsoft, right? So obviously, I mean, I think Microsoft's fine right now, but ideally, right, I would want the SPY to push up so that it can give me that push that I want, right? But I would want a candle like this. Let me see if I can, settings, there we go. I gotta remove this stuff. Style, take this off. Background, we'll change this to like a bluish color. There we go, that's what I want. So, take this off, here you go. What I would ideally want is I want a 4-hour, right? Oh wait, I don't want this to extend right, so don't extend right, there you go. I don't want this, right, to close under, right? I don't want a 4-hour, right, to go down like this, right? I would not want like another, like a 4-hour candle to like do this or something like that, right? That's what I do not want to see. So we'll do that color, right? What I want to do, the scenario that I want to see, right, for the next candle on the 4-hour is to close like somewhere up here, right, above that 519.04, right? Either over or fully above, right? But you need some close. You need a close above that, above this 519.04. That's what you want. That's what you're looking for, right? That's what I'm looking for, right? I need a close. Something above that lets me know, hey, this is actually going to push back above this trend here, or back at least to trend at 526, right? Because as of right now, your new target is not 529. Your new target is 527. Right? That's your new target. So if you do close above this, right, at 4-hour, then, you know, you can ride 420 all the way up to 527, which is basically up on this trend, right? But again, if this doesn't break, you're going right back down. So a lot of scenarios can happen here. And again, on the 15-minute, you can see we're already rejecting on this perfectly, right? Came up here, almost touched it. You were off by like a penny, couple cents, dropped. Came up here, you do not want to break to the upside. I mean, I guess we can run it on the 5-minute Yeah, the 5 minutes still has plenty of room to drop, so I would not dictate direction right now. The minute has been pretty solid to the upside, but you do have a lot of open gaps here. And for the most part, I know that it does not like open gaps. So we'll see what happens. I don't know. It's looking more bearish than bullish right now, right? But until we close above, right, until we actually get a candle to close above here, a 4 hour, right, would give me really nice confirmation. If we can close a 4 hour candle above this 519.04, I would be very, very happy, right? But as of right now, everything looks bearish AF. So as of right now, it does look like we're going to drop to 509. This looks like a regular retest to the upside on that low, right? Very easy. Came down, broke, coming up here, you're retesting this, right? And then it looks like you're dropping from here, you're going to go down to 509. If that doesn't happen and you actually close up here, then you got a really good chance. So again, just wait for confirmation. Obviously, you guys might not have confirmations here. I would personally probably use a 30-minute close, like my triggers, right? If you guys want to get the triggers, obviously join the Patreon. But I would use a 30-minute entry, perfect entry, right? So what happened here? Look, I'll show you guys. See, 30-minute entries right here. So all this would have been a good area to short. 30-minute entry, right? Perfect entry right here at 528. You would have shorted all of this, right? You can use that. You can probably use the hour too. The hour still has a lot of room to move up. So if you want to actually short, if you close this trigger, if you close the 30-minute trigger up here, right? Perfect entry, and you're under this 519.04 level, I take the short. I would take the short down here. Maybe set your stops at like 522. Or maybe just above this high, maybe like at 520, I don't know, somewhere around there. But this would be like a 1 to 5 RR or something. But yeah, I would put your stops and then short it from here. But again, I would ideally like this to push up, just because I am in calls for Microsoft. Mind you, they're like a month out, so I got plenty of time. But I want the market to go up, just because I want my Microsoft calls to actually print. But I'll see you guys later. So far, no direction. Again, very, very simple. Close the 4 hour above, you push to 527. You don't break this level, you're going to drop down to 509. And if you drop down to 509, there's like a 95% chance you keep dropping to 493. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.